Welcome back to the channel, and in today's episode, digging and pipes and water. Stay tuned. Yeah, so today, along with the house needing to be completely replumbed. So water in, waste and hot and cold inside. So first things first, main and waste, or main certainly, and the internal plumbing. Waste can possibly wait a little while, but as soon as I have the ground open, it's all going to get done in one hit, because that's just sensible. Fortunately, various bits of concrete. Now the previous owner tells me that this bit here is where the waste runs. Not actually why it does that, but there is evidence that there used to be another property there. So, yeah, dig and find out. There is currently no main directly to the kitchen, but my plan is, as soon as I'm putting a waste from the kitchen, we're going to take a cold main feed to the kitchen. This here, this particular stretch of concrete is where the main is. Again, the previous owner tells me that this is when the house was last modernised. So, some time ago. Yeah, so seeing where that all runs, seeing where the wastes run, and yeah, going to get amongst it and break out the tools and yeah, probably set up a time lapse. So that's the next day. It was raining first thing this morning. Certainly wasn't when I got up and went cycling, which was fun, not. Of course it rained. I opened a hole up in the yard. Here it is. You see the old waste pipe. So the plan today, carry on up to here, into the kitchen. It's interesting, there's a cross there and another path of concrete running that way, maybe to where there was a property, and I'm imagining that runs off to the bathroom, maybe, hopefully. So, just going to get amongst it now. Speak to you in a bit. So, digging and have uncovered a 90-degree turn in a box, and there it is, with what looks like 10-inch pipe, which is way over the top, and it's also made from the same stuff as the roof. Nothing coming from the kitchen, strangely, but most definitely coming from the bathroom. So anyway, just sand there now. Carry on, cut the trench up to the kitchen over there for the waste and main into the kitchen. So as you can see, had a bit of tidy up obviously, and yeah, now we've got the exposed pipe, so we can see what size it is, and I'm going to head up to the shop and see what I can get hold of. Some 110 will do amply, and then I suppose I can set about, lay it out. I'm going to cut another one here for the gully, stick a gully across here. So 7p's, obviously. We're going to cut a trench in across there for that, lay the pipe out, get all this out, put the pipe in. So, progress has been made. Turned the backyard into pile of rubble. See, progress has been made. Got some 110 pipe, some fittings. Just need to finish digging the trenches. Better get stuck into that, eh? Because they ain't going to dig themselves, are they? As you can see, new 4-inch grey plastic pipe has been installed and attached to the old pipework. I neglected to film any of that, so we've got that going up there, which will be the feed to the ensuite, surface water there, and bathroom and kitchen. So it's a temporary little brick box to join the, let's say, reinforced with naughty stuff concrete pipe to the new 4-inch pipe as a temporary measure until I can dig up the bathroom floor. Just need to break through in there, finish up off and get the pipe through the wall and the water main as well, because that needs to go in here, lower than the gully's going to be, so sort of down here somewhere. So I need to get that squared away as well. But I can certainly start backfilling some of it, like the surface water there, pipe for the gully, and probably the bit over there for the ensuite, and get the sink in there as well. So yeah, still got plenty to be getting on with. All good fun. Hopefully not going to be working till 11 o'clock at night like I was last night to get the drains functioning. The main one is I do actually have functioning drains, so I can use a toilet, which is always good. Yeah, catch you later. So there we have it. Drains and water main updated. So that's it, because I've got no idea where any of the footage is. Maybe an overzealous formatting of an SD card at some point in the past. But there is no footage of me filling any of this in, or indeed laying the main soils. Suffice to say, it is done. They do all work. Water not escaping from anywhere it shouldn't be, which is all good. So, that being said, I'm going to wrap this one up and say thank you for watching, both of you. Means a lot. And subscribe, like, comment if you want. Follow me on Instagram at Biscuit Dave. Plenty of photos there of stuff that's happened that you're not going to see on YouTube for a while. Like the kitchen. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. No idea what it's going to be at the moment. Got 3 different options. See you soon.